Hi everyone, my name is Kasımhanov Jomart. I study in Almaty State Business College. My specialty, hospitality management. Why did I choose that specialty? When I was a child, I dreamed to have my own hotel and restaurant. This dream is still with me. And now, this specialty is very profitable. Okay, let's talk about our specialty deeper.
Since my specialty is management by industry and field of application, I choose hospitality management from this. Roughly defined, hospitality management refers to the application of management concepts and structured leadership in the areas of accommodation, dining, and general guest services. From the largest hotels to the smallest cafeterias, all such businesses form an important part of the hospitality industry. Whereas commercial businesses focus primarily on selling products, it could be said that hospitality is more about selling services, experiences, and enjoyment. In key markets worldwide, the travel and tourism sector is one of the largest, most lucrative, and fastest growing. The sheer scope and diversity of the hospitality sector is extraordinary, encompassing everything from the major international hotel chains to local restaurants to vehicle rental services and many more besides. As for hospitality management, the term refers to an extensive range of functions and responsibilities that ensure the best possible guest experience. Human resource management, marketing management, accountancy and financial management, PR and reputation management all fall within the confines of hospitality management. We have a program of improving hospitality industry in Kazakhstan till 2025. Because of that, I want to improve hospitality industry in my country and open my own hotel.
And now, we are in our canteen, where our cookers make the best meals in the world. How are you guys? Well, our customers have to be well fed, okay? Yeah, great job! Good luck, bye!